Archie Daenerys, can you teach mommy how to be white like you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, come on. Let's talk about it. How do you do it to become white? What are you using for
Look
your
at my
hair?
skin. It's white.
Yeah, you're too white. How did you do that?
Look at my hair. It has bangs.
You have bangs and you have shiny hair. What did you do with your hair?
That is like a bangs.
Can I have your shampoo, love?
Of course, hair like bangs like this.
Like that. And then
And the bit like this outside like this. Like
and
this.
then how about having your shampoo, everything? I want your shampoo. Can I have everything so that my hair will be nice too, just like yours?
My bangs?
No, not just your bangs, but the entire hair. But all of your hair.
What?
It's very shiny. Can I have your shampoo, please? Can I have your shampoo? I'll have your shampoo tomorrow, huh?
Okay, Mommy.
Everything?
Everything.
It's all mine?
Take one.
Just one pump only?
Yeah.
Why
Take
mine?
it and I get some more and take say ooh and bah.
What do I do to get shiny hair just like yours?
You have to be ooh.
Huh? Come on, let's talk. Come on.
Mommy, you have to
So that YouTube will give us money.
yeah.
So we will share to our followers how did Daenerys achieve the shiny hair.
Mommy, you have to punch.
What did you use to make your hair shiny? Did you use the Johnson's shampoo?
Yeah.
The green and yellow shampoo, the big ones? How do you do it? First, put on water on your hair.
And
Wet your hair, and then
and rub your hair.
put on shampoo first, and then second, put on shampoo, and then rub it. How do you rub your hair?
And rub my hair.
With the shampoo like that.
Yeah.
And then
You be like
massage.
that.
Massage your head.
Mommy, can you massage my head, please?
It's not massage, it's massage.
Can you
Massage.
Can you massage it? It's so dizzy.
You're so dizzy.
Yeah,
my baby is low. Oh, why do you have headache?
Because I hurt my tummy. Because
You hurt your tummy?
Yeah, because I sit on my table. Because I sit like
Why
that.
did you suka?
I'm in stress.
You're stressed? What did you do today that you get stressed?
I get ready for just up downstairs.
Did you clean the house? Did you cook for us? Did you wash the dishes? What did you do? Why are you so stressed?
No more. I can help now. I did not help at the Kakan.
Oh, you did not help Ate Kakan?
Yeah.
Because Ate Kakan is in Dumaguete. Ate Kakan is in Dumaguete for school.
For school? Cover your mouth.
Can we just visit Ate Kakan in Dumaguete?
Yeah.
Want to go with me?
Okay.
I'm going to Dumaguete. But you have a class.
My eyelashes.
Can you tell Teacher Wendy that you're gonna be absent because you want to go to Dumaguete with me? Huh?
Yeah.
Achi,
What
what did you tell Teacher Wendy, Achi?
I guess my eyelashes.
Hello. Oh no. You have brown eyes. Sige na. Can you tell Teacher Wendy that you want to be absent because you want to go with mommy? You're not answering.
Yeah.
You want to go to Dumaguete with me?
Yeah.
Why?
Cover.
Are you shy?
And cover.
Why? She's shy man. Okay, say goodbye to our video now.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.